They use Galamsey to win elections. And after winning elections, Galamsey becomes work for their foot soldiers.
I was a Blakk Rasta of TV3, or say when the name corner. Ajinisem, when it comes to the issue of Galamsey, said the NDC for say promise ye, and umba abemu, domu ya. Abedane maf talk, abedane maf talk. In fact, we abe fire in this ake kana jwa churubo papa. Say Blakk Rasta. Ese bi Galamsey so fire in this in ebusia. Ano washipa. I penya Blakk media. Metro say the demo. Over like a video na that one. Over subscribe to me. Snap click bell notification icon for latest updates. Never chere wa never me e comment. Metro so baswa. No share them on so enye bi ahwe. It is the issue of Galamsey. In fact, a dig Ghana mining ya. Yensu say yasa say ye be say. Yensu kura no to get a time yensu enom because some of the taps ubu ensu eba no eye these spoiled waters and there's a flow through various taps any enyan nieme kaya abra na NDC opposition no omo magana 40 they say omo na do Ghana mine they can protect our land and our water bodies. They can protect it in tian trouble ma omo ema me kai kura say with this issue of Galamsey ye Samuel Okoye to Blakk Rasta, member of parliament for Northern constituency, enya abute consider enso bia ase ebubu gontua mu e de ebia din te tata ho de be demonstration.
The Blakk River. We couldn't find hope anywhere. There was no succor, no solace. Everywhere we went to, this is monthly. When we went to Prague, also terrible. The Odan River, no hope, and Cobra was even worse. Then River Ofin, and this is the Bune River. So this is what we are dealing with. It's only the Water River that gave us a little hope, you know. Even that we are hearing that it is just a matter of time because the solar area we are told that the white water.
Sam George Ekasa on many occasions.
My children and your children will not have potable water to drink. Today you are even getting trouble getting water in your pipes because of Galamsey. So I don't care the person's political party. If the person is NDC, if the person is a national executive of the NDC and is doing Galamsey, arrest him and jail him. Sure. And I believe that for the first time, we should actually have the firing squad come broadband. Because look, it is.
Let's check.
No, it is still on.
Semi Jenfi Kojina Baby Galamsey say in so a press conference or and so they said as if say or Ghana ho ama. As if say what do or mine broso or pel mine ye or mine no dana koma so. Emma this same issue of Galamsey no. Sam George kasa bebrebe. Make us Sam George. Nyabotre na the issue of Galamsey no enye edmaketu a obi betimi de da krope aye. Ena Sam George o monte ase mu nyabotre. Enipa Ghana ye ne to abayi ni so ye mampanyina ye die sika etu aneka de. Owo to me. So between na watchepe as to pick Galamsey because on the control so yes full na it will be to mama order that's why for tie gumurum akutu Galamsey ase Sam George e can that same way e make us Sam George as who play the fight against Galamsey who play the politics too much in for politics and fight this issue Sam George I can say there be on tie asomana say anya the politics I ntimi fight it because omomo aban mu omo na betima bo me atu Galamsey ase e je say omo kan say mo nyina de di etiri mo e me ho so akufo da NNPP aban omo ye wicked omo ntimi tu Galamsey say Galamsey kura na Sam George me ate say mo ntimi na wotwepe as to Galamsey ana mo tese say mo ma hyeda mo nya so mfa so ni mo say betu mo be say yensu say ene atuti awo mu ye tuti omo we ye yin say aban papa ba Galamsey etu bia fe kwa de abeye west Galamsey abeye west je wa won timi kan no kore wa usuro ne kore na wonka Galamsey abeye west and back here on this issue of Galamsey no Minister for Lands and Natural Resources that is Honorable Emmanuel Kofibua Honorable Emmanuel Ama Kofibua ebeka say the fight against Galamsey enya me madwuma Enye me medjuma lands and natural resources minister esinye na adwuma. Na ho adwuma. Obeka asem we na say omo nze no na no de all is lost. The fight against Galamsey there. Yentimi fight enye ready. Na say abeda ne press conference afi no. Now I was expecting some George on kan Galamsey one same. I was expecting Okuseto Blakk Rasta also kan Galamsey one same. Semi Jamfi kasa bebrebe gba. Maintain say Semi Jamfi 2025 fi. Wa be address the issue of Galamsey mo nyame hwe mo. Now this is in same way no. Ana Blakk Rasta esi there be. Ma talk no ya doso. There be amode there no be too Galamsey but aburu in fact wa be fire NDC for papa.
Oh, what that dying. This is the voice of the Patriot. Operating straight from the office of the Patriot. Here we don't criticize, but if we must, we would only just do it. To build and not to destroy. That is why we keep saying we are in the service of God and country. This is the voice of the people. And the voice of the people is the voice of God. We are not neutral. We are on the side of the truth. That is why we say we are the headquarters of the truth. And my name, Blakk Rasta. Now this is where we speak truth to power. And today we have a number of issues we want to look at. Spread the word. This is the voice of the Patriot. Now the very first story we are looking at today is taken from My Joy Online. And it says, regard illegal miners as dangerous terrorists. And this is Kofi Boah talking. Who is Kofi Boah? I read. Now the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Emmanuel Ama Kofi Boah, says illegal miners or Galamsey operators should be viewed as terrorists who are actively endangering the lives of Ghanaians. We can't allow a few people to make money at the expense of millions of Ghanaians and kill us. We must now begin to see them as dangerous terrorists who are killing us, he said. Now the minister, who was speaking at a press briefing on Thursday, that is today the 3rd of April, emphasized the need for a collective effort to put an end to the devastating impact of illegal mining in the country. Now the minister's statement comes amid rising concerns about the environmental and social repercussions of Galamsey, which has long been a significant issue in the country. You cannot have a country where your water systems are so polluted that the turbidity levels are 5,000 to 12,000 when it should be just 500. It means we are drinking poison, he bemoaned. He reiterated the government's commitment to using all available resources to combat illegal mining activities that have been ravaging forests, water bodies, and farmlands across the country. Now, the minister also added that the government is ready to welcome any small-scale miner through the right procedures. My brother, I think that we have had too much of this lip service all this while. The lip service must end now. They use Galamsey to win elections. And after winning elections, Galamsey becomes work for their foot soldiers. I am tired and so angry. Now the words of the minister, they are nothing but the truth. But can we trust these words? Is it yet another bout of lip service? Maybe it's a lip service spree. I am tired of hearing presidents and ministers giving lip service to this Galamsey. I am so tired. Of course, long before the minister, Kofi Amabua, declared illegal miners in this country as dangerous terrorists, I had already declared beyond that. Remember when I said we must shoot them to kill them? Because in the army, they have a motto that I like: shoot or you are shot. My brother, we are sitting down like Christmas chickens to allow these dirty, dangerous criminals to continue killing us slowly. If stability levels should be like 500, as the minister is talking about, in other words, the pollution level, if it's supposed to be 500 and now it's between 5,000 and 12,000, my brother, my sister, we are Christmas chicken. Now, a lot of these ministers and politicians who Penyah Martin claims they are the political class and therefore they are different and for that matter better than the voting class. My brother, my sister, can afford to drink mineral water carted all the way from beyond the borders of this country. But how many of us can drink mineral water day in and day out? A nation that depends on mineral water is a dead nation. Water coming out of your taps should be good enough for you to drink. My brother, my sister, it should be wholesome. That is the word. But in our country, Galamsey has become a political tool. Food soldiers get it as a reward to destroy our forests and also our water bodies. Presidents are sitting down, unable to do anything, weaker than carbonic acid. I am angry this afternoon, my brother. For how long can we continue sitting here like Christmas chicken, just getting ourselves ready for the Christmas cooking pot? Or are we Salah goats and sheep ready for the slaughterhouse? I am angry. I am fed up with this lip service and so many useless press conferences. We need action right now. Shoot them. Shoot them, because they are shooting us with silent weapons. For how long can we wait for the water company to keep telling us that the stability levels are increasing and that very soon we must import water into the country? Are we that weak? We are quick enough to chase weed smokers into every hole, catch them and jail them for smoking one spliff of Ntampe. Yet we are unable to chase all these dangerous terrorists who are killing us by the second. What coward people, these dirty politicians. My brother, my sister, now the information I have is that, as we were told by President Mahama, in fact, the small scale mining is giving us a lot of money in this country. It is helping with the economy. Without the small scale mining that is happening right now, the economy will crash. So what do? We must make sure that the small scale mining is legal. Again, can I just jump out of that? Any country that depends on mining in order to salvage its economy is a Christmas chicken nation. What happened to agriculture? What happened to the vast lands? What happened to the arable lands? The more you plant, the more you feed the nation. But all of a sudden, it's all about mining. Dangerous chemicals are used every now and then. Our water bodies are polluted. Even if we do the so-called legal mining, we are still not that safe. How much of these dangerous chemicals percolate into the ground and into our water bodies? Artesian wells are all polluted. Some time ago, we were taught that artesian wells gave you the most wholesome water to drink, that our springs gave us nothing but wholesome water to drink. Today, they are all polluted. They are more acidic than sulfuric acid. Why all this lip service? Unnecessary press briefings. What we need right now is not a press briefing. What we need right now is shoot them, kill them, so that our nation can live. These are not human beings. A lot of these guys doing the illegal mining are pigs. Some of them, my brother, my sister, are goats and sheep. Shoot them, kill them, so that we will be able to make our nation stand firm. Too much of the press briefings. Who are you briefing? We all know what is happening there. Or is it a way of getting out so people can see your face? I am tired of these press briefings. I am tired of this nonsense that is going on. If you have the legs to chase Ntampi smokers into every hole and catch them, people who steal bananas because they are hungry, they are all in the jailhouses. People, my brother, my sister, who run out there and steal one bunch of plantain, they are roasting in jail. Yet these dangerous criminals are walking around, and you need 1 trillion press briefings before you can catch one. Then we become, in the Jamaican parlance, a full nation. A full nation. You are able to employ macho men to snatch ballot boxes every election and beat up your political opponents. Yet where it matters most, you are unable to catch your so-called foot soldiers who you have employed to kill us slowly. You are all cowards. You are not patriots. You are cowards. You are satisfied in a few to kill the majority. Why?
And 27 Blakk Rasta Abeka with him says, we smoke a bin and get weak a crabby a commotion of our question. You have a trouble multi FNI papa, Mudi training, mature men. It could be ballot boxes any other day, but Galamsey, Muntimi and fight. What are you waiting for? The wait is over. The talking is too much. What I say, the lip theories are too much. We need action, not theories. You need action. And yet press conference. And yet press conference doesn't fight Galamsey. We need action. And as our water guide with that blue guy, forget you. Ye mema, nye Jama boys went me to any women militant and Munyam Crankre John Lyle. What I say, Eddie Blakk Rasta, the fact of fire and NDC pass, almost intimate to themselves, Omo Ehune. Chirawa, your mammy, ever conversation. I Penyah Blog Media.